And the crazy part is their goal was to tear down the families all along. And the crazy part is their goal was to tear down the families all along. You know, anything you can think of that's a major distraction, potential major distraction, potential throw you off, potential make you feel a dislike towards something or someone, or anything that aids even a little bit towards you feeling or confirming a dislike instead of your own reflection and distractions and traps, is to tear down the families, is to make it be where it's less and less chance of families, of stick together relationships, to make it commonplace and a trend to dip, to be like, oh, I'm too cool for this, I'm too cool to communicate, etc. The prison systems, look it up, to tear down the families. The lack of certain things not being taught in school, certain things like getting a trade, certain things like certain degree, or certain things that can push you out of the system type of things. So when they tear down the families, make us not communicate, act like idiots because of hate and because of distrust, when you need to be trusting and you need to see that all of this and all of that, they wanted to tear down the families all along. Why is it that certain hasn't come right on national? Why is it that the stuff that's really being talked on, social, advertisement, TV, why isn't it being talked on as far as do this, do this, do this, so that you're actually working towards a successful, happy family, happy relation, happy kid making, future making life? So, yeah, that's what it really is all along, is they don't want and want to tear down the the bigger goal, make it harder for us to want family, to create. And then so that the increase instead is depression, death. Look up the age range and stuff like that. So yeah, um, what can I say? I tried to say this years ago, a long time ago. Anyway, I'm in training. I'm in training right now, grinding, chasing larger career type thing. Focus, locked in. December 1st.